Hello out there, you're welcome. Yes, let's take care of perimeter of circle and perimeter of triangle. In the previous video, I told you what perimeter is. Perimeter is distance round a shape, okay? So if we are to find the perimeter of this circle here, the perimeter of this circle, okay, means the distance from this point. If we are to start from this point, okay, the distance from this point round and back to this point, okay, the distance round, okay, is what we refer to as perimeter. Now, perimeter of circle has a formula. The formula of perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, okay, or pi d. Now this pi has a value. It is 22/7. This r here stands for radius. It stands for radius of a circle, okay, radius of a circle. And what's the radius? The radius of a circle is the distance from the center of the circle, okay? If this is the center of the circle, distance from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle, to the edge, okay, of the circle is what we call radius, okay? Okay, so from here down here is radius. From here to this point, radius, okay? Now, we could also make use of pi d. This d is diameter, okay? Let me write it here, diameter, okay? So now in this circle, okay, I've not told you what diameter is, okay? The diameter is the distance from this point, from the circumference of the circle, from this edge through the center of the circle to the other side, okay, of the circle. All right, that is what we call diameter, okay? All right. Okay, now that we know what radius is and what diameter is, we'll see from this circle here, from this circle, we'll see that we were given the diameter, okay? The diameter was given. Based on that, we are going to make use of this formula, okay? We could also use this. So if we want to use 2 pi r, if we want to use 2 pi r, we divide the diameter by 2, okay? 2 radii gives a diameter, okay? 2 radii equals 2 diameter. I'll put it this way, 2r equals d, okay? So it means 1 radius equals diameter divided by 2, okay? Get it? That means the radius is going to be 7 meters over 2, okay? All right, so since we've been given the diameter, so there is no need using radius, okay? Even if we use radius, we'll get the same thing, okay? No, now make use of pi d. What's our pi? 22/7. Then our diameter is 7 meters. I told you when you use formula you make use of formula to solve any problem, okay? Once you've written the formula, what follows is to substitute, okay? To replace with a value, okay? Now, you substitute, okay? Substitution means to replace something with another thing. Okay, so here, instead of D, we know that our diameter is 7, so instead of writing D, we write 7 meters. Okay, you get it? So after that, what follows? You divide 7 in 7, 1. 7 in 7 here, 1. Okay, so 2 times 1, 22 meters. 2 times 1, 22. 1 times 1, 1. Okay, so that gives you 22 meters. So that's how to find a perimeter of a circle. Okay, just make use of the formula. After writing the formula, you substitute and carry out the necessary operation of multiplication. Okay, now moving to triangle. We have different types of triangle. We'll take care of that. We'll talk about the different types of triangle in other clip. Okay, here talking about the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is simply the sum of all the lengths. Okay, sum of lengths. Okay, you add up all the lengths. I told you that perimeter means distance round. So if we are to begin from here, okay, if we are to begin from this point, so perimeter is the movement, is the distance from this point here to this point and back to where we started from. Okay, get it? So what do? Add them up. Okay, so if you move from here to this point, 11 meters plus 9 meters gives 20, plus 15 meters gives 35. Okay, so that's it, as simple as that. Okay, there is no formula for perimeter of triangle. Okay, because all the sides are not equal, unlike in the case of square. In the case of rectangle, two sides are equal, or opposite sides are equal. But if this triangle were to be an equilateral triangle, so the perimeter will have just been 3L. Okay, 3 multiplied by the lengths. There are 3 lengths there. Okay, so you simply add. That's it. All right.